Deadline to get health insurance or face a fine is this weekend. Wink News found a Collier County man who doesn't make enough money to get help from the government to pay for premiums.
And he doesn't qualify for programs like Medicaid. Now he's staring at a $300 fine he can't afford. Wink News reporter Jennifer Jones took his concerns straight to the White House.
For the past year, Chad Couture has been in the Justin's Place program through St. Matthew's House in Collier County. It's a shelter set to help people get back on their feet.
I haven't needed any money because I've been here and they supply all my food and shelter and everything that I've needed in the program.
Chad has worked a few odd jobs, but he does not have any health insurance, and he found out he makes too little money to get help from the Affordable Care Act to pay for it.
Somebody who makes under $11,800 a year doesn't qualify for assistance through the Affordable Care Act or Obamacare. And they don't qualify for Medicaid in the state of Florida.
The president of St. Matthew's House says a lot of people in the shelter have this problem. Wink News took his concerns straight to the White House. White House spokesman John Earnest is blaming Florida politicians.
Now here's the tragedy of the whole thing, Lois. The federal government would actually pay that entire cost this year of expanding Medicaid to cover those folks. And so even though it would cost the state of Florida nothing.
The Medicaid expansion has stalled a number of times with Florida lawmakers. Since Couture doesn't qualify for subsidies to help pay insurance premiums and he can't afford those premiums, he's now facing a $300 penalty for not having health insurance.
It's one of those really odd situations where the law and the consequences on the poor hasn't been well thought out.
In Collier County, Jennifer Jones, Wink News, now.